Hello everyone, I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain HJC giving you a closer look at the i50 helmet from HJC. All right, today we're giving you a closer look at the i50 helmet coming from HJC. Now the i50, if you ask me, just shows you that you don't have to spend a fortune to get a nice helmet for less than 170 bucks. You're getting the i50, which is lightweight, comfortable, it has some cool safety features that are built in. So if you're shopping on a budget, definitely one that I would consider. So we're gonna go through, talk about all the features and benefits that you're getting with the i50, but before we do that, let's just talk about fit real quick. So something that really stood out to me when I first grabbed this helmet out of the box, I weighed it myself, size medium, 3 pounds, 2 ounces. That is lighter than a lot of the premium helmets that we offer that are north of the $500 mark. So it's a very lightweight helmet, it's very comfortable. Fitment for us is gonna be true to size. Make sure you use the sizing guide on the product page. But remember, we have our fit guarantee. We ship for free both ways. If you're not happy with the size or fit, it's just gotta be in brand new, unused condition. But we'll give you a little 360 view here. Nice aggressive shell shape, you can see. They have this little spoiler here on the back. What I like about this too is that's gonna give you a good landing mark for your goggle strap when you put those on. DOT and ECE certified. If we look at the front, so polycarbonate shell. You're gonna have multiple different shell sizes. Like I said, 3 pounds, 2 ounces, size medium, super lightweight. But the venting design on this, you're gonna have 3 intake vents up here underneath the visor. So that's taking your airflow, channeling it through the helmet. If you look at the back here, you got some exhaust vents here on the back of the helmet to get that warm air out. My only nitpick, but I can understand it at this price point, you're not really getting any vents down here along the chin bar. You have a couple here on the mouth guard, but when you look at that chin bar there, you're not getting any venting there as well. So just something to keep in mind. As far as the visor goes, you can see it is adjustable, so you just loosen this top screw. So you have, I'd say, about 1 inch of adjustability there. And these screws that are holding the visor on, they actually are drilled out, so they're hollow, so they are designed to shear away in the event of a crash. So a little bit of a safety feature built into that visor system. So that's the outside of the helmet. Now, let's take a look at the inside here. So you got your D-ring closure. Go ahead and open this up real quick. So the comfort liner on here is actually nice and comfortable. It's moisture wicking, it's antimicrobial, it's removable. Just pull it out. If you want, throw it in the washer. Now, when you're pulling these cheek pads out, I do want to point out you've got these snaps on the inside, but take note here, you'll notice that there's a little piece of plastic here that kind of goes between the shell and the EPS liner. There's a couple little hooks there, so don't just rip this thing out. Be careful as you're getting that out. There's one cheek pad. Get my second one here. Takes a little finesse. So now we have that out. Now I want to show you here, you'll notice with the top of the comfort liner, you have these little square pads in here. This is what they call their SLID system. So it's sliding layer impact distribution. And what they actually are, they're little gel pods that you have here. You can see you've got 4 of them right on top of the liner. They do a couple things. One, they're gonna help absorb that linear impact, so straight up and down, but what they also do is they help slow down that rotational energy. If you watch any of the product spotlights that I do when it comes to helmets, there's a big emphasis now on slowing down those rotational forces. So we see stuff like the MIPS liner system, 6D has their system with their ODS, but they're using the SLID system here. So there's gel inside there, it moves freely. Again, it's just gonna help slow down that angular rotation. And that's what's cool about it, is it's just built right into the comfort liner. So I'll pull the rest of this out. So there is that liner. You can see those right here on the top. So like I said, there's just a gel inside there, so they move in all directions, but also there is padding as well, so it is absorbing that linear impact. So there's your comfort liner. And then lastly, there you go, you've got your multi-density EPS liner on the inside. Couple of small channels built in there to help with the airflow, but there's not gonna be really any thrills there. Pretty basic once you're on the inside, but I will note, you'll notice here on the insides, you actually have little cutouts. So maybe you do want to run a Bluetooth comms unit with your off-road helmet, you actually do have cutouts there that you could put those speakers if you did choose to go that route. But that is it. That is the i50 helmet coming from HJC. Again, lightweight, very comfortable. I like the liner on the inside. Something I think is pretty cool that we haven't seen yet is that SLID system with their comfort liner. If you guys do have any questions or comments, we'd love to get those answered for you. So make sure, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you stay up to date on the latest product spotlights, how-to videos, and gear guides that we're constantly filming. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.